Okay, welcome back everybody. I'm just announcing here that so Smoking Joe has got the NASCAR build going, and initially I was saying there's no way I'm going to be able to do it because I got too many projects going, and I wanted to, but then he mentions the trucks, and I forgot all about the trucks. That's NASCAR too. So, well, gosh, game on. I have a few of the trucks. I've got the Hornaday truck, and I have this one. Now, a lot of you probably know that I cut grass for a living, and so when I bought this from a local guy that was advertising in Craigslist. He at one point had a hobby shop, and he had hundreds of these. He had every single NASCAR kit, and several copies of every one that he was selling. I think these were all $10 a piece, and you had your choice of everything. And I wanted everything. I ended up leaving there with about 6 kits, but this was one of them because it was perfect. And of course it's still sealed. I'm anxious to see inside there, and we will see inside there. Now what I was telling Joe is I couldn't decide on 2 of them because I had forgotten about this one. If you remember a while ago, the Chevy Cheeseburger build, tribute build, and it was perfect, Chevy Cheeseburger, and it's a burger, it looks like cheeseburger. I mean, you get it, right? But I never got around to it, and I had the paint for it and everything. I went and I got the paint, so it's that kind of burgundy, and then this kind of a pumpkin color, and so I got the burgundy and I got the pumpkin, and then never even started it. But what I'm going to do, this is going to be my entry for the contest. It's not a contest, it's just a group build. This is what I'm going to be building. But at the same time, I'm going to be tinkering around with this one. And you'll see how I'm going to do that in my shed. There's something I'm going to be changing in my shed here pretty soon. So this will be the main project, and this will be kind of a side project that I'm kind of doing at the same time. But I'm going to show inside both boxes here right about now, so let's open them up. Okay, so here we go. Here are all the parts in the Burger King kit. It is from 1990, and of course you all have seen, most of you have built these, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on this one, but I will on that one, because I don't think a lot of people have looked inside the truck kits. Neither have I. But anyway, it is pretty well detailed. Back in this era, you guys know that there is a tendency to get a warped body and a frame. Fortunately, the frame is nice and straight, but the body wobbles a little bit. But compared to some of the ones that I've seen over the years, it is really good. So that is fortunate. Very happy about that. I'm going to be able to make a great kit out of this. Why it's molded in yellow, I have no idea. But yeah, these kits are pretty well. Let's see, what company made this? Monogram. This is a Monogram kit. Here's a good look at the chrome tree. Of course, I'm going to make this accurate, so it's going to have black wheels. And so I'll be stripping these. And basically, I think stripping all of the chrome on the whole thing. Probably. Look at the chrome radiator. Not radiator. The fan. There's the chrome radiator. Anyway, very well detailed. I'm pretty excited to build this. Anyway, I'm trying not to spend a lot of time on this one, so I'm not going to go through every little detail because we've got to get to the other one. So we're just doing a quick glimpse. Gonna be real cool. And it has Oh no, I've got to do the white lettering. I've gotten a little better at that, but still I'm not the best at that. I was hoping for... Well, it does have decals. Interesting. Look at here. So we've got decals for the tires, but then we've got the... maybe they're smooth on the other side? Yeah, they're smooth on the other side. So if you wanted to try to paint the letters and have them be real and raised, you can use that side, and then you can also do like I'm going to do and put the decal on the other side. Speaking of the decal sheet, let's take a look at that. Looks like it's in pretty good shape, other than the corner there. I don't know what's happening there, but the decals look okay. Paper just looks like it's been through something. But yeah, you can see the background on the decals is that pumpkin color. And I just hope that I'm close enough on this. Probably not. But it is what it is. Wonder what that piece is. Anyway, like I was saying, definitely don't want to spend a lot of time on this one because this is going to be the secondary kit that I'm just tinkering with, but I think it's going to come out really pretty good. Anxious to see it. So let's move on now to this kit, and I'll show that in a bit more detail. Okay, now we're talking. We're getting into it now. There's the truck. I'm getting really excited about this. I'm going to go straight for the body. It is completely perfectly straight. Extremely happy about that. Everything's going to fit nice. That kind of a contour on the side is already in there. See that? It's not something that you have to try to glue on. And the back of it. So then there is the body. Everything molded in gray like it should be. Everything is straight. There's no problems with any warpage anywhere. There is the chassis in perfect shape in the front. No chrome to worry about. Just paint these wheels black and you're set. A little bit of brake detail there. This is the way to do it. NASCAR D-window wheels. I had these on my real truck one time. I actually ordered the NASCAR D-window wheels. Don't have that truck anymore. So you got your whole roll cage. Now there's the glass. It's in pretty good shape. A little scuffed. It's not going to take much to make it look perfect. And then I'm going to have to paint that window detail like I just did with the C5R. It's no problem really. Same issue on the tires, where you can do the raised letter painting, or you can just put the decal on. And I'll show you in a moment. There's something weird with the decals. More bracing, more roll cage stuff. And I'm just going to go with whatever it is they say. Looks like it's black on the box. Very, very good detail. Here's a neat sheet. There's the back window and the hood. I wonder if I can brighten this up anymore. Yeah. And then this is the cover for the bed cover. This is going to be awesome. And your exhaust. I've never seen, I'm sorry I'm getting a little giddy, I've never seen inside one of these kits. And like Joe was saying, you can get these, you know, sometimes, like at Modapalooza, somebody gave me three NASCAR kits for like $10. Great engine detail. So yeah, I need to get some more of these. Like I say, I have on the trucks, I have the Hornaday kit, and I have one other truck, I think. But then I have about 6 of the regular NASCAR kits, including the original number 8 Earnhardt Jr. kit that I definitely want to build. So, we got no problem with detail on this kit. This is going to be great. We have until Homestead to finish these, which I believe is in November. Yeah, I'm okay. Boy, I wish I had the backlight on at the beginning. You can really see the parts much better this way. But I'm moving on to the decals here. I'm very happy to see, because if you didn't have the shade of yellow, I was looking at the front here, saying to myself, if I didn't have the shade of yellow exactly right on the background of that grass, that and on the side, that there was going to be a mismatch. But check it out, no background. So the yellow that you paint your car, I think it's clear. Let's see. Or is it white? I don't know. It is what it is. Hopefully that is clear, and the yellow from the body will show through the clear in between the blades of grass. But a very good detail on the look up here. Here's the headlights. I like that, and the tail lights. A big can of ant poison. Where does that go? Oh, it goes on the back. Big can of ant poison right on the back. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. So this kind of looks like, no, these go over the fenders on the front tires. But then I was looking at the ones that go on the tires, and it seems like there's something wrong here. What is going on here? There's no way that's the way they're supposed to look, right? Yeah, they're supposed to be yellow. So maybe there's a problem with these tire decals. I don't think that all the yellow didn't print, because there's yellow right there. So I don't know what happened here. Is that correct, guys? You guys that know, there's no way that's supposed to look like, no, it's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be yellow. Yellow letters. So what's happening here? Anyway, all the rest of the decals look good. And who is the driver? Who is that? Doug George. I don't know who Doug George is. I guess I gotta look him up. But anyway, there is a look at the kit. So this is gonna be it. This is going to be my entry into the NASCAR group build. Also would have worked for Ford Truck Month. What do you think, Eddie? It's a Ford. So it's this is going to be the NASCAR build. And then of course you'll see the Burger King car getting built as well. But that'll be separate. I'll do separate updates on that one. But this will be the main build, and it's going to be great. And appreciate you all watching. Thanks for, if you actually watched the whole thing, thanks for doing it. And look forward to updates. There, of course, will be slow. When we're saying Homestead, have to have it done by Homestead. It might be Homestead 2019, but I'll get it done. I never actually give up on them. So anyway, y'all have a good night. See ya.